China's PCL 181 vehicle-mounted howitzer is known as the world's first artillery comparable to a sniper rifle. It has surpassed the American M777, Russian Tulip and South Korean K9, and has the reputation of king of infantry. However, when people see this artillery, they may be confused by its appearance. How can such a guy with a square head and a square head, who looks extremely bulky, be called the world's strongest artillery sniper? So, how did the PCL 181 vehicle-mounted grenade break out among various high-tech artillery and win the title of King of Infantry? What advantages and differences does it have compared with other artillery? First of all, the biggest feature of the PCL 181 vehicle-mounted howitzer is the word vehicle. This vehicle-mounted howitzer is a truck gun, which is obtained by loading a 155 mm 52-fold high-pressure howitzer on a truck. This kind of artillery installed on a truck can also tighten its barrel. With the support of a 400 horsepower 6x6 truck, it can run at a speed of 90 yards per hour on the road, which is faster than most guns on the market. The artillery must be high. In addition, due to the truck's advanced hydro-pneumatic suspension, the PCL 181 vehicle-mounted howitzer also has a very low gun line, allowing it to hit farther targets. Coupled with the body weight and a series of anti-recoil devices, the PCL 181 has greater stability while striking at long distances. This advantage cannot be achieved by other artillery. In fact, as a vehicle-mounted howitzer, the biggest advantage of the PCL 181 is its vehicle-mounted capability. But it is not just this that can make it the most powerful artillery sniper in the world. Not only that, the 181 gun also has a full information system and semi-automatic loading equipment, with a rate of fire of up to 8 rounds per minute. A gun crew can complete all preparations from parking to firing within 1 minute, even with only one gun crew left, it can be fired, which can be called the king of individual sniper. The automatic aiming system can enable the PCL 181 vehicle-mounted howitzer to automatically lock the target, so as to achieve more precise strikes. The semi-automatic loading system has greatly increased the firing efficiency of the PCL 181, allowing this vehicle-mounted howitzer to fire up to 8 shells in 1 minute, achieving continuous strikes on targets in a short period of time. In addition, PCL 181 can also launch various precision-guided munitions, which not only has strong area killing capabilities, but also has extremely strong point killing capabilities. For example, laser-guided munitions can not only hit fixed targets accurately, but also hit moving targets with precision, just like missiles. Laser-guided munitions work by receiving laser signals as the projectile leaves the muzzle to accurately locate the target and guide the projectile toward the target. The key to this method of combat lies in the accuracy of laser irradiation. Laser-guided munitions can strike fixed targets with precision. Relatively speaking, it is relatively easy to fix the target. You only need to prepare it in advance and aim the illuminator at the target to hit it. For vehicle targets with unknown speeds, changing directions, and moving vehicles, the difficulty is even greater. This requires the laser operator to be able to stably track dynamic targets and not shake hands, otherwise the target cannot be locked. The precision-guided munitions fired by the gun are not only laser-guided munitions, but also satellite-guided munitions. With the support of the BeiDou satellite navigation system, laser operators no longer need to conduct reconnaissance and guidance ahead, and precise strikes can be carried out based on target coordinates, even if the target is dozens of kilometers away. Another advanced feature of the PCL 181 is its powerful information combat capability. It is equipped with a gunner information system, positioning and orientation navigation system, fire control computer, vehicle-mounted communication radio and other equipment, and can share and process target data, shooting damage effects, weather and other information with the superior command system. With the support of real-time intelligence such as drones and reconnaissance vehicles, it has the ability to operate independently in unfamiliar areas. The rear of the PCL-181 is also equipped with a hoe that automatically lifts and lowers, and has the function of one-click gun adjustment and multi-point attack. With the help of the fire control system, the operator only needs to input the azimuth angle data, and the onboard computer can automatically calculate the trajectory and automatically arrange the gun positions. After the shooting is completed, the shells can be quickly and automatically recovered, and then quickly evacuated. Attracted by the excellent tactical performance of the PCL-181, the Pakistan Army signed a contract to purchase the Shush-15 vehicle-mounted gun 4 years ago. The quantity purchased at that time was 236 units, and outsiders estimated that the number would eventually reach 300 units. In addition, Ethiopia has also made purchases. The estimated cost of each of China's PCL-181 guns will not exceed $2 million, which allows the PCL-181 to increase the density of deployment in military formations, thereby increasing fire suppression. In fact, there are many kinds of truck guns in the world, not just the PCL-181 truck-mounted howitzer. However, although the paper data of other truck guns are dazzling, in actual combat they cannot be reasonably integrated into combat procedures and work together with other weapons to create an efficient combination punch. For example, the self-propelled artillery K9, which South Korea has been secretly touting for a long time, is much more advanced than the North Korean artillery group in terms of statistics. But it was defeated on Yeonpyeong Island and was beaten by the fierce offensive of the North Korean artillery group. The reason for this is that, on the one hand, the K9 is not fully embedded in the land combat system and lacks consideration when commanding. On the other hand, the cost of the K9 is too high to maintain the corresponding deployment density. And these two shortcomings that made South Korea return in a big defeat cannot be seen in PCL-181. All well done. Therefore, there is no absolute strength or weakness. Whether a weapon is powerful or not depends fundamentally on the strength of the person who uses it. The PCL-181 vehicle-mounted howitzer can be called the world's strongest artillery because China have world-class artillery power and command procedures. I believe that with the development of the motherland, there will be more and more weapons that dominate the world in the future.